Hi everyone, this is Deb Tim, a Canadian girl. I've always done a species profile of any fish that come into my aquariums. So today I want to share with you everything I've learned on the blood red parrotfish. So please stay tuned. This is the 75-gallon, which is home to Humphrey and Eric, and then the three little guys. As you can see, Humphrey is very dark, which is a clear indication he's very stressed out. I'm afraid this is near the end, as often I find him laying more on his side than on his stomach. So today we're looking at the blood parrotfish. The blood red parrotfish is a very unique fish, actually resembling a parrot, hence the wonderful name. There has been much controversy surrounding this fish. The parrotfish does not occur naturally, but is a man-made hybrid being created in Taiwan in the 1980s. It was first thought the hybrid parrotfish is a mix of the Midas cichlid and a redhead cichlid, although since then there have been many variations that do include other cichlids. Blood parrots, being hybrids, are controversial, but whether you like them or not, they have become highly sought after and are not going away anytime soon. The blood parrot has become a favorite among many fish keepers. To make your mind up on this, I suggest you get one. Once they settle in and get to know their caregivers, they interact freely, being curious, showing their charming personalities. This amazing fish is easily recognizable due to its beak-shaped head, open mouth, round body, and impressive eyes. All these interesting traits develop through breeding. Their open mouths, considered a deformity produced during breeding, does not hinder them in the least and definitely gives them a unique look. The parrotfish is non-aggressive. Their teeth are far down their throats, so they can't really bite. At most, they swim along bumping into their tank mates. It's important to keep their non-aggressive personalities in mind when purchasing tank mates. Good tank mates include giant Danios, catfish, cribs, cory cats, severums, angelfish, and a host of other mid to large size peaceful fish. Tank size for a blood parrotfish should be no less than 55 gallons, but a larger is recommended if homing more than one. The male parrotfish can reach a size of 10 inches, although 7 to 8 inches is more than norm. Females are a little smaller, being 6 to 7 inches when fully mature. A soft sand or small gravel substrate is preferred. Clay pots, driftwood, and other places to hide, along with lots of swimming areas, is an ideal setup for this amazing fish. They are a large fish, meaning large bioload, so good filtration is imperative. Having a pair of blood parrots, they are likely to breed, although the eggs will go unfertilized, as the males are sterile. Successful spawning will occur when the females crossbreed with a non-hybrid fish, such as convicts, Midas cichlids, or severums. When purchasing baby blood parrots, they will be a mix of yellowish, orange, and black. As babies, they are very dark with stripes. From being little fry, they go through many color changes from dark to black and orange, and finally to a beautiful red when they are fully mature. Feeding your blood parrot a variety of foods is essential for good health and vibrant colors. A staple quality pellet combined with a quality flaked food, supplementing frozen and fresh foods of brine shrimp and bloodworms, will keep your parrot very happy. Making sure to feed your blood parrot food high in beta-carotene will keep their colors bright. My handsome parrotfish Eric is quite a character and is a wonderful tank mate. He has really taken a liking to Humphrey, often protecting him. When I reach my hand in to play with Humphrey, Eric comes and tries to bite me. It's amazing that it actually pinches. I realize with 2 Oscars, Crockett and Tubbs, Bogey, the Red Devil, and Eric and Hump, this 75-gallon will not be big enough. When the time comes, I intend on changing this tank to a 125, where I feel they will all be comfortable for years to come. I worked on this video last Friday. When I came down Friday morning, I found Humphrey laying on his side. I tapped on the glass and he wiggled himself upright. But you can clearly see he's very dark, which indicates severe stress. I'm afraid when this video airs, Humphrey may not be around any longer. I'm afraid that this stress is going to kill him slowly, and I can't bear to see him suffer. So this may be the last shot you'll see of Humphrey. So until next time, this is Deb Tim signing out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.